Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I've gotten a lot of messages. On how people asking me on how you do covers. So let me show you how I do my design covers. It's kind of a thing I love doing whenever I do the design. So click on File, do New. I love doing it to my users. So click on Custom, change the width to 10, the height to 8. Make sure it's in inches. Resolution 300, background, transparency. Click on create. So this is actually the basic to start with. So click on file, then click on place embedded. So we did it with the last video tutorial we did. So I'll select the last tutorial we did. We save it as T1. Okay, then click on place. So this is it. So what we'll do is drag it to expand it. Okay, like this. And expand it more. Don't stretch it. Make sure you're holding these edges to expand it. Then we'll bring it here. Keep expanding. But the whole text must not show. Okay, you get it. So like this. I think that's okay. Okay, like this. Click on good. This okay. So what you do, select it. Then click on filter. Click on go to blur. Make sure you are selecting blur. Go to facial blur. Yeah. Then reduce it. So let's go down. So I'll put that on 50 for this design. Okay, like this. Okay, the next thing we'll do is let me reduce it a little. It's kind of too blurring is too weak. Go show a blur, so reduce it a little so we can have also the physical things to see. Okay, now click OK. The next thing I'll do is to get the image design flyer. Click on File, Guns Embedded, then what the image again, once again, P1. You click on place, let's place the image here, increase the size like this, keep increasing the size till it covers almost the width, like this, keep increasing it, okay, keep increasing it, think okay, this one, little, okay, okay, that's actually okay, so make sure it's in the center. So click on good, make sure it's in the center. So all you do to the main design is add some shadow. So we add shadow depending on the design. I'll do drop shadow. Black is actually a good shadow to add on this design, but I'll prefer to use this dark color here, as looks like brown. I'll pick this one that almost looks like yellow. Then I'll click on OK. Increase the size, pitch. class now. Okay, so we'll go with black. What kind of black? I'll go with the same color in the background. Just make it deeper. It can look different. Wow. Spread should be reduced. And size too should be reduced. Shouldn't be that much noticeable. But it should just be there. So let's just decrease the size a little. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, once that's done, click on OK. So that's it. So that's how I do my initial this. So I can click on save, click on save on computer, save on your computer. Then name it D1 cover. Save it as PS defense. Then next time save it as PNG or JPG, anyone. Just normally love PNG. So click on OK to save the file. You're good to go. That's it. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow the page on Facebook. Thank you.